in General Chemistry 1, Section 1, um, summer of 2020. So this is my first interactive presentation, and it is using static electricity. So I have, my materials include this balloon, pepper, and salt mixed together on a plate. So I'm going to take this balloon and create some static electricity by rubbing one material up against another. Rub it real good. And then kind of take it all over the plate. And here you can see where the pepper has stuck to the balloon. How that happens is pepper's positive charge sticks to the negative charge of the balloon because opposites attract. So, and the reason pepper sticks and not salt or the sodium chloride is because pepper's mass is smaller than sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is sodium's positive, chloride is a negative. And so those opposites attract, creating an ionic bond or a covalent bond as well. And so some of that did stick to the balloon as well, but not as well as the pepper. And the reason the pepper sticks is because the mass of the pepper is smaller than the mass of the sodium chloride. So it was really cool to see this experiment work and to see how positive and negatives are attracted to each other. Yeah, that was really cool. Thank you.